have a conversation with Contessa. Hey guys, the Metcast is going to do our best to restrict our Thanksgiving plans to our immediate family, and I recommend everyone else does too. I know it's challenging, but if you do have to get together, do your best to gather outside. Find somewhere, if you can, get some outdoor heaters. Do your best to maybe get tested in advance to make sure that no one is sick, and if anyone is even remotely showing any symptoms, loss of taste or smell, fevers, shortness of breath, anything that makes you think fatigue, that makes you think that you're just not yourself, stay at home, stay away from other people. Just remember that Thanksgiving is all about being thankful for what you have. And just remember that this too shall pass. This too shall pass. If you're staying home anyway, you may as well try to make my banana pudding. Actually, my strawberry banana pudding. Happy Thanksgiving, guys, and be safe.